Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add an Amazon affiliate link to your Instagram story. All right, so let's begin with the video. So to do this, you can actually do it inside of the Amazon app. So go ahead and download the Amazon app from the App Store or Play Store. Now, once you've done that, you will need to sign in using your Amazon account. And it needs to be the email address that you've got your Amazon Associates ID registered under. So once you've logged in, and to do that, click on the three dots in the bottom right, and then you'll be able to log in. I'm already logged in. If I go to my profile, you can see here is my Amazon account. Now what we're going to do, we're going to search for a product. So I'm going to search for Rhode. So we're going to promote this product. So we'll click on this title. Then it will take us to this product. Now what we can do once we're here is we can scroll down a little bit, and next to the heart icon in the bottom right-hand corner, there's like a share icon with the arrow. Click on that, and then it's going to open this window. Now, if you're logged into your Amazon Associates account and they will show your Associates ID, you can then click Copy Associates Link. And now you've got that link copied. Now what you can do is open up Instagram. So here we are in Instagram. Here, simply click on this plus icon and navigate to Story section. I'm going to click on my camera and I'll just take a blank picture. What we'll do is we'll add the link to this. So you can also upload a picture from your camera roll as well. But what you want to do is go to the text button. And one to the right of that is going to be a sticker button. Click on the sticker icon. Then you're looking for link. Once found, click on that and then paste in your affiliate link. Then you can customize the sticker text. So I'm going to put get my product here. Then you can click done. Now you've essentially got a link to this camera, and then you can just go and post it. And then when people click on that link, it will take them to Amazon. So that's basically how you can add an Amazon affiliate link to your Instagram story. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.